Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to show you the labeling of skeletal system diagram. We are going to have fun with learn. So let's get started.
It is the skull. It protects our brain. It is the sternum, or we can call it medulla. It is the rib cage. It consists of 22 butterfly-shaped bone. It is the backbone, or we can call it spine. Under backbone, it is the hip bone. It is the humerus. Under humerus, it is radius. Under the radius, it is ulna. Under the backbone, it is the hip bone. Under the hip bone, it is femur. Under femur, it is the tibia. Under tibia, it is fibula. Here we complete the diagram of the skeletal system.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.